I'm throwing my hat in. Into the 2028 elections. Donate to my campaign. In the Cash App URL. We'll keep the ball rolling. All the way to November 2028. You can like and subscribe to my channel. You can like and subscribe. It's free. It's free! It's free. It's freaking free. It's So deposit your pennies into the Cash App. You can't use your pennies anyway. Return your pennies. Return your pennies. Thank you. I'd like to recruit you to vote. And don't forget to bring your ID. While you're there, don't be alarmed. When you see ICE agents there, because they have the right to vote too. So get your ID ready and make sure it is not fraudulent. Or you will not be able to vote. And your passport is not a valid ID. And your passport is not proof of citizenship. And your passport is not dual citizenship. Your passport is not proof of citizenship to the country you are visiting. Your passport is proof of citizenship to the country you came from, not to the country you are visiting. Dual citizenship does not exist, and I mean it. Because you have to denounce the country that you came from. There's no two ways about it. Try it in another country. Try it in another country. Time to fly! The future is here! Woo! Let's ride! That's the spirit. All right, let's get this beauty moving. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Thank you. So many more pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. More. Many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.